Howdy, I'm Marcus Hansen, and today I'll be showing a quick tutorial on how to use the program developed for our manuscript on crystallographic variant mapping using precession electron diffraction data. First, we load the PD data file. Next, we click on Start Analysis. A new window will pop up showing the virtual bright field map on the left-hand side. Clicking around in this map will display the diffraction pattern at the location clicked. To use the user selecting reference method, we need to select all the variants known in the sample. We will select the point, click Confirm Point for each of these variants, and then finally select the comparison method used. With all that done, we click User Selecting Reference Method. This process takes a few minutes depending on the size of the dataset, number of selected points, and comparison method used. Once this process is completed, we can click on Create Similarity Region Map on the main menu to create the similarity map. An image will open in the default image viewing application and will also be saved in the program's directory. In this image, we can see the 4 points selected with the red substrate, the green and blue showing the vanadium dioxide variants, and then the purple is the vacuum. To use the automatic selecting reference method, we go back to Analysis, select an optional starting point, the similarity comparison method to be used, and click Automatic Selecting Reference Method. This process will generally take between half an hour to 2 hours. Multiple images will be generated at various similarity cutoff values and saved to the program's directory. These images can be analyzed to determine the ideal cutoff threshold that clearly identifies all the variants present in the dataset. For more information on the methods used in this program, please refer to the manuscript or feel free to reach out to the authors with any questions. Thank you.